Hi, can you help me understand commercial property insurance?
Sure. Commercial property insurance covers a business's physical assets like buildings, equipment, and inventory. It protects against risks such as fire, theft, vandalism, and some natural disasters.
So it's like home insurance but for businesses?
Exactly. It insures business property, including buildings, furniture, inventory, and equipment. If they're damaged due to a covered event, the policy helps with repairs or replacement.
What types of risks are usually covered?
Common risks include fire, theft, vandalism, and windstorms. However, floods and earthquakes are typically excluded unless added through endorsements or separate policies.
So, if a business is in a flood zone, they need separate coverage?
Yes, businesses in high-risk areas should get additional flood or earthquake coverage.
How are premiums determined?
Premiums depend on location, building type and age, property value, and security and safety measures. High-risk areas, older or flammable buildings, and higher property values lead to higher premiums.
What's the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value?
Replacement cost pays to replace damaged property without considering depreciation. Actual cash value, ACV, accounts for depreciation, so the payout is lower.
So, replacement cost is better but more expensive?
Yes, replacement cost offers more coverage, but it's more expensive. ACV is cheaper but may not fully cover the replacement of older items.
How does the claims process work?
When a business files a claim, an adjuster assesses the damage. If covered, the insurer pays for repairs or replacement based on either replacement cost or ACV, depending on the policy. Quick reporting and documentation help the process.
Are there any common exclusions?
Yes, typical exclusions are wear and tear, poor maintenance, and disasters like floods and earthquakes unless added. Damage from war or nuclear hazards is also excluded.
Does business interruption come with commercial property insurance?
Business interruption is usually added separately. It covers lost income and ongoing expenses like rent and salaries if the business can't operate due to property damage.
That sounds important for businesses that can't afford downtime.
Exactly. It helps cover the financial losses during downtime until operations resume.
What should we focus on when underwriting commercial property insurance?
Key factors include location, age, and condition of the property. You should also consider the type of business. Some have higher risks, like restaurants with fire risk, and review their safety measures and maintenance practices.
Are there any trends in commercial property insurance?
Yes, with the rise in natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires, premiums have increased in high-risk areas. Insurers are also using new technologies like sensors and drones to assess risk. Climate change is affecting how insurers evaluate risks too.
That's interesting. Thanks, I feel much more confident about commercial property insurance now.
Glad to help. Understanding the coverage helps businesses protect their assets and recover from losses efficiently.